I would like to at this stage share. I was hearing one talk by His Holiness Bhakti Vigyan Goswami Maharaj. He was quoting Jiva Goswami from the Sandarbhas about this Shraddha part. Because this is very important. Shraddha is so important. He was explaining what is the difference between Shastrik Shraddha and Laukika Shraddha. Both are Shraddha. Shraddha, as explained in the 17th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna explains in the 16th chapter, Daivi Sampad Vibhaga Yogo Nam. These are the demons, these are the devotees. Devotees have faith in the Yam Shastra Vidhim Utsrujya Vartate Kamakarata, Nasa Siddhim Avapnoti, Nasukam Na Param Gadim, Tasmat Shastram Pramanam. Only Shastra. So Arjuna asks a very intelligent question in the 17th chapter. Hey, wait. I know there are people who have faith, but they don't have faith in the scriptures, but they have faith. So, what is the difference? And then Krishna explains faith in the mode of goodness, passion. But he says faith arises in the mode of goodness only. Later it may be covered by the mode of passion and ignorance, but it arises in the mode of goodness. And he was explaining there is Shastrik Shraddha and there is Laukika Shraddha. What is the difference? He said Shastrik Shraddha doesn't simply mean that I have faith in the scriptures. Because as we discussed all the other categories of people, they also have faith in the scriptures. So we may say we have faith in the scriptures. That's not the criteria. Shastra Shraddha means Shastrartha Shraddha. You have faith in the conclusion of the scriptures as explained in the Parampara. That is Shastrartha Shraddha. Bhagavan Sambandha Bhakti Abhideya Hoy, Prema Prayojana Vede Tina Vastu Koy. In this whole Vedas, Vedaischa Sarvair Ahameva Vedyo. That's it. Ultimately, it's to know Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Nothing else. This is Shastra Shraddha. Otherwise, it is heard from my grandparents and my mother would also say this. And in our community, we heard this, and Prabhupada also would say this. This was very prominent. Prabhupada said, if you don't know the source, but if you want to make an impact on the audience, you just have to add two words. Srila Prabhupada said, कहाँ बोला? ऐसा मैंने सुना. किनसे सुना? माता जी से सुना. वो माता जी वो किचन में बोल रही थी एक बार, किसी और को बोल रही थी, मैंने सुना. There was once an argument between one Prabhuji and Mataji. Prabhuji's complaint was, ये देखो अभी तुलसी को ऐसा करना वैसा करना. मैं बोला कहाँ है? बोला नहीं वो व्हाट्सएप में एक मैसेज आया था तब से मेरे पीछे पड़ गई. So we have heard in the WhatsApp, we have heard from this, we have heard from that. Somehow it has entered our Shraddha. We don't know where it is now, but it is fixed. So, we should have Shastriya Shraddha means Shastrartha Shraddha. Another thing, Shastra Shraddha is not dependent on miracles. Only people with Laukika Shraddha constantly need miracles. A miracle. Kal raat ko maine 3 dates I kept in front of the Lord. Morning I went and saw only 2 were there. So if this fellow, based on that faith, if he goes and regularly keeps the dates, and if the 3rd date doesn't disappear, his knowledge will be outdated. बोला भगवान नहीं खाते. मैं रखा था, ऐसा हो गया. मैं देख रहा था भगवान ने ऐसा आंख ऐसा किया. गोपीनाथ ने आंख बिचकाया. वो व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर सब जगह. चैतन्य महाप्रभु डांस किए मायापुर में. वो मार्बल में उनका फुटप्रिंट आ गया. Mahaprabhu is there here. Original. This is original Mahaprabhu. Why? Because marble pe footprint aaya. So we desperately need. Mahaprabhu had to show miracle, Brahman effulgence to attract the Mayavadis. Srila Prabhupada was constantly asked by some typical Indian gentleman, Swamiji, what miracle do you do? So that is very laukika, which means laukika is not bad, but laukika is very fragile. It is external, it is not internal. It's not born from within. It's not stable. It's very much superficial, dependent or outside thing. वो नहीं है तो ये भी खत्म.